Hi everyone, so I'm going to show you today how to reset your Apple Watch to factory settings. So this is my Apple Watch Ultra, and in order to reset your watch, I'm just going to log in here. You're just going to go to your settings. My settings is right there on the right, that little gear. Just go to your settings, and then you're going to go to General. Scroll down to where it says right there, General. And then you're going to scroll down all the way down to the bottom. Right there where it says Reset. And then you're going to click Reset All Settings or All Content. But be sure to back up your watch before you do this, because it's going to completely reset your watch. It's going to erase everything. So once you click it, it'll ask for your passcode again. I'm not going to do that because I need my watch. But in case you're wondering how to do that, that's pretty much all the process. And then you just have to wait for it to get done. And then afterwards, you can set it up with a new iPhone. So yeah, there you guys go.